It's December 9th, 7:01 right now. Just breaking daylight. think he's a real nice hippo. That was awesome. I think I got it on film. Oh, that was crazy. I didn't need to see 15 deer today, baby. Just gotta make sure he doesn't get back up. I dropped him right there. I can't believe that. Stand up 3 days ago. Usually I sit on the ground here, but I thought maybe I could see a little bit farther down if I put a stand up. So, put a stand up. I can see probably 300 yards down below me. I usually see a bunch of deer out of this spot anyway. I've seen 17, 19, and 16 or 17 deer. I haven't really filmed much lately because I've been hunting on the ground a lot, and it's really hard to film on the ground because there's a lot of brush and you really can't see. I'm coming from behind me. I just saw it. I didn't even hear him coming. I just turned around, and right there, probably 50 yards, I could see him coming. So I looked at the scope. I turned it up on the 8 power. Made sure he had 3 up. I could tell he had a big rack, but I just wanted to make sure he wasn't at 6 point again. He was coming from a different angle, so I figured it couldn't have been him anyway. So he kind of wrapped down around me, and there's a real good clearing down below me. So I was like, I'm just gonna wait. He's gonna come right through there. I got the camera all ready. I put it in. I'm pretty sure I got the shot on film. I'm gonna have to go back and check. But I dropped him right in his tracks at 50 yards. So here's the stand I was in this morning. Just put it up 2 days ago. I'd have to say it worked. I usually sit right up that log right there. I sit right behind it. But I decided to put a stand up, so there it is. And then I shot my buck. It's down there. About 50 yards. Let's go get my deer. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's a good buck. Look at that shot. Right in behind the shoulder. I think that was the exit. Get them gutted, and I'm gonna see if I can grab a few pictures before it runs out of battery. Pretty nice buck, huh? Well guys, here he is, my 2017 Pennsylvania rifle season last day, 9 point right here. This morning's hunt was just awesome. I got in the stand real early, about an hour before daylight. I had deer all around me. I could hear them walking around. It was real crunchy. And then once it got daylight out, I had 5 does come down below me. I had this huge 6 point following them. He was massive for a 6 point, probably 18 inches wide. So they came through, and then about 10 minutes later, another 4 does came through the same way they came through. And then I could see a deer way down in front of me, about 150 yards down in the thicket. And I couldn't really make out if they had any horns or not, so they kind of went on through. And this all happened within 2 hours. And I turned around, and this guy's standing there at about 50 yards. So I hurried up, I grabbed the gun, I got everything situated, got the camera on him, kind of let him come. I tried to calm down a little bit. He came down around me about 50 yards, and I dropped him right in his tracks. Really nice 9 point. I couldn't be any happier with him. Just an awesome day in general. I'm going to get him field dressed and get a couple pictures and then get him out of here. I just want to thank you guys for all watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It was a long season for me, but I finally got it done.